Hello everyone, today we'll be going through IGCSE Cambridge Mathematics Paper 2 Non-Calculator October-November 2025 058022. Before going to the paper, I just wanted to mention that we are uploading physics and chemistry videos for IGCSE and A-levels also. You can refer to the playlist. Now we can go to the question number 1, and question 1 says the temperature at 4 a.m. is minus 15 and 4 p.m. is 21 degrees Celsius. Find the increase in temperature from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we can write 21 minus 12. So this will be the difference in temperature, which is 33 degrees Celsius. So our answer will be 33 for 1 mark. Now for question number two says for find all common factors of 8 and 12. So when we are saying all, it means if you are missing any one, you will be losing marks. So 8, we can write factors of 8, common factors. First we need to write the factors. So 1, 2, 4 and 8, and 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and common factors are 1, 2 and 4. So our answer will be 1, 2 and 4. These will be the common factors. This is also for 1 mark. Question number 3, a cuboid has length of 6 centimeter, width of 5 centimeter, and height is 2.5 centimeter. Work out the volume. So volume of cuboid formula is length into width into height. So this will be 6 into 5 into 2.5, and we can multiply, so it will be 30 multiplied by 2.5. So 32 are 60, 60 plus 15 will be 75. So volume will be equal to 75 centimeter cube. This will be our final answer, and this is for 2 marks. Hopefully you understand this. Now question number 4, and question number 4 says a computer costs 560. In a sale, this cost is reduced by 20%. So 20% reduction, and they are saying find the cost of the computer in sale. So it will be like we are using 100 minus the reduced price, which is 20%, divided by 100 and multiply by the amount, which is 560. So we'll have to simplify. We can write this as 80 over 100 into 560. So after cancellations 1010, we after cancellation we can multiply, and this will be 56 multiplied by 8. This will be 448. If you multiply, you will get 448. That's all. This is basically 2 marks question which we have done. Now question number 5, and the question number 5 is pie chart. They're saying the pie chart shows some information about the way 600 students travel to school. This is walk portion, this is bicycle, and they say work out the number of students that walk to school. So walk to school angle is 90 degrees. They are representing this 90 degrees. So 90 will be the quarter. So we can say basically we can take angle as 90. So 90 over 360, and this will be multiplied by 600, which is the total number of students, and we will get the number of students. How we can cancel this? So this will be 0 with 0, and then 6 we can cancel. 6 ones are 6, so it will be 10, and 6 are 36. Then 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9, and 0, and 2 fives are 10. So it will be 150. 13 to 5 will be 150. So we can write answer as 150, and it will be for 2 marks. Now for B part, 120 of the students travel to school by car. The remaining students travel by bus. Complete the pie chart. So 120 are basically traveling. So 360 is divided. 360 is the angle of the pie chart, and the total number of students are 600. So if we simplify this one, and we can cancel with this also, 6 are 36 and 6 tens are, and 2 threes are, and 2 fives are. So it will be 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 will be this simplification, and 120 students. So we can multiply 3 by 5 into 120, and this will be cancellation. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 fours are uh, f- 20, and then 3 into 24 will be 72. 3 fours are 12, and 3 to the 6 and 7. So it will be 72 degrees. This value will be for car, and buses will be remaining will be what? Remaining will be, we can check for buses. So remaining students travel by bus. So that is basically angle we need to draw. 72 will be roughly, I'm drawing roughly. So it will be around 72. We can take this one as 72, and this will be cos. And remaining angle, if you check, this will be 138 degrees, and this will be for buses. So this will be 138, and this is how you can complete the pie chart. And for buses we can write 138 degree for bus. So this was 3 mark question which we have done. Hopefully you understand this. Now this is question number 6, and the question number 6 says that the diagram is not to scale. ABCD is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, and D. E lies on C and CD, and CD and AE. So E is lying on both. EA is equal to ED. So this side is equal to this side. These two sides are equal. They are saying find angle ABC. A, B, and C. Which angle is required? Basically, this angle is required. This angle is required. So what we can do is, if we extend this line, like I'm extending this line and also this line, so this angle will be 100, because 80 and 100, these two are on straight line, so it should add up to 180. So if this is 100, so this angle will, these two angles will be same, so this will also be 100. And in this quadrilateral, we have 3 angles, so we can find the fourth angle also. So how we will find fourth angle? From subtract from 360. So 360 minus all these angles, 75 plus 100 plus 80. So this will be 360, and minus this will be 180, plus 75 will be, we can write 5, and then 5 again, and 255. So it will be 105. 105 will be the angle. So 105 degrees, and this is for 1 mark which we have done. Hopefully you understood this. Now angle AED. AED is required. So this angle is required, which we know DEC is straight line. So this angle is 80 degree, and we can mention it's 1 mark question. No working is required. So 80 degree. This is done. Angle DAB. DAB is which angle? Okay, so this angle, complete angle is required. Up to this one, BAE is 75. So we need to figure out this uh, remaining angle. So this one we can figure out This one I will erase. So we can consider this triangle, and in this triangle, one angle is 80, other two angles are same in size because AE is equal to DE. So 180 minus, we can write here 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100, and 100 will be divided into two equal angles, and this angle will be 50 degrees. So angle DAB is required basically. So it's DAB. Okay, so 50 degree is this angle, which is 50 degrees. So we need to add 50 plus 75. So it will be 175. So we can write here 50 plus 75 is equal to 125 degrees. So 125 will be angle DAB, which is for 2 marks. This is also done. Now question number 7, and question number 7 says represent the inequality on the number line. On -4 side, it is only inequality symbol, so it will be just blank circle, and the 3 side is filled one, so we can fill this circle also, and then we need to draw the line, and that's all. This will be the number line representation, and this is for 2 marks, which we have done. Now we can move to the question number 8, and question number 8 says Cami buys P pens that each cost 40 cent. She pays with $20. Write an expression in terms of P for the change in cent Cami receives from the $20. So $20 is paid, and we need to subtract from this 20 um, uh, price of P pens, which is each is 40, so 40p. So we need to subtract this. This will be the expression 20 minus 40p, and this will be answer for 2 marks. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 9. Rajit has a full bottle of juice. He drinks 1/3 of the full bottle on Monday. So 1/3 on Monday, 1/3 of full bottle. So full bottle I will write like B. So 1/3 of B drank on Monday. He drinks 3/7 of the full bottle on Tuesday. So Tuesday is 3/7 of the full bottle, and find the fraction of the bottle of juice remaining one. Okay, so we need to add these two, and these two will be adding what? This one we will equalize the denominator, so this will be multiplied by 7, and this will be multiplied by 3, and after equalization we will get 7 plus 9 will be 16 over 16 over 21 of complete bottle, and then we can we'll have to subtract because remaining one they are asking for. So we write 1 minus 16 by 21, and this will be the fraction of the bottle remaining. So we can write this as 21 over 21. 1 can be written as 21 over 21 minus 16 over 21. So this will be 5 over 21. This will be final answer for 3 marks question. Hopefully you understand this. Now question number 10, and the question number 10 says B is equal to this one. D, M and K values are provided by rounding each value to correct to one significant figure. Work out an estimate of B. So we can round. What will be our rounding part? D will be rounded to 3, and M will be rounded to 8, and K will be rounded to 10. Now K will be rounded to 10. Now we can replace in the formula, and the formula is B is equal to D value into M value and plus 2 into M into K, which is this one. So this will be 24 and this will be 16 into 10 will be 160 and this will be 184. So 184 will be our rounded answer over here. By rounding each value correct to 1 second frame, work out an estimate for P. Okay, so this is done. Next is rearrange. B part is rearrange the formula by making M the subject. So we need to make subject. So our equation is what? Our equation is B is equal to dm plus 2mk. So we need to make m as subject. We can take m common. So inside will be d plus 2k and shift d plus 2k to other side. So m is equal to b over d plus 2k. And this will be our final answer, which we can write b over d plus 2k. This will be answer for 2 marks. This is done. Now question number 11, this is similarity question. Diagram is provided which is not to scale. In the diagram, S lies on PQ, S lies on PQ and T lies on PR. ST is parallel to QR. A part, explain why triangle PQR is mathematically similar to the triangle PST. Give a geometrical reason for each statement you make. So we can say that this angle P is common in both triangles. We can consider triangles. We can write in triangle PST and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, angle P is equal to angle P, which is common in both triangles. So triangles. Next is angle Q, this one. This angle will be equal to this angle. So we can write angle PST is equal to angle SQ or PQT. We can write angle Q PQT and angle PTS is equal to angle PRQ. These are like corresponding angles. We can write corresponding angles and this will also be corresponding angles. So all three angles are equal. So by angle postulate, triangles will be mathematically similar. So we can write triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. This is done. Now for the next part, B part, they're saying ST is equal to 3. ST is equal to 3. So this is 3 centimeter. QR is equal to 9 centimeter. PS is equal to 5 centimeter. This one is 5 centimeter. And what we need to do is work out PQ. So PQ, this total length is required from this point to this point. Complete length is required. So we can use similarity. 9 over 3 will be the factor similar, which is k value. K value will be in length ratio will be 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. So we can multiply PQ will be equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So this will be equal to 15 and 15 will be PQ value. Answer for 2 marks, which is done. Hopefully you understand this. Now C part, they're saying the area of the triangle PST is 2K. Find the area in terms of K, the area of the quadrilateral QRTS. So same K value is 3K square will be equal to 9. So we can use this 9 as a factor. So 2K multiplied by 9 will be equal to 18K, and this will be 18K will be the total area, but QRST, they are saying area of the quadrilateral QRST. QRST. So it means they require only area of this one. So area of the smaller triangle we'll have to subtract from the bigger triangle. So we will subtract 18K minus 2K will be equal to 16K, and 16K centimeter square will be answer for 2 marks. Hopefully you understand this. Now here comes the question number 12, and the question number 12 says a fitness club has 100 members, 60 swim, 70 cycle, 25 do not swim or cycle. So this is swim, this one cycle. So do not swim or cycle is 25, which we can write outside. This is a 25. Now we don't know this overlapping portion, common intersection portion. So we can write this as x. So swim is 60. So this portion is containing 60. So what we will do, we will take this as 60 minus x, because x is already taken into intersection portion, and the cycle one is 70. So we can write this as 70 minus x, because minus x is already taken in intersection portions. Then they are saying complete the Venn diagram. So we are completing this, but this all should add up to 100. So we can write the equation, and the equation will be what? Equation will be 60 minus x plus 70 minus x plus 25. This should be equal to 100 by the condition of the question which they have provided. Now we can cancel minus x and plus x, we can cancel, and the remaining will be 60 plus 70 will be 130. 130 plus 25 will be 155. So 155 minus x is equal to 100, and this will be x is equal to 155 minus 100, which is equal to 55. So x value is 55. So it means that this should be 55, and this should be 60 minus 55 will be 5, and 70 minus 55 will be 15. Now this is the final uh, completed Venn diagram which we have done. So this was for 3 marks which we have done. Hopefully you understood this. Then they are saying for B part, one member of the fitness club is chosen at random and find this number. Probability of C. In C, we are having 55 plus 15, so it will be 70. So 70 out of 100, this will be 70 out of 100 will be the probability for this section. One more question which is done. And second part, probability of S intersection C. So S intersection C is which portion? S intersection C is basically this portion, which we can write as 55 over 100. So our answer will be here 55 over 100. And next is probability of S union C complement. So whatever not in C and union. So if I union of what? Union S and C complement. So S will be this one, and but C complement will be including this also. So we need to add 25, 55 and 5. So we'll add 25, 55 and 5, and out of 100. So this will be equal to 60 and 70, 85. So 85 over 100 will be our answer. 85 over 100. This is again 1 mark question, which is done. Hopefully you understand this. Now here comes question number 13, and question number 13 says m is equal to this one. Write 14m as a product of its prime factors. Give your answer in index form. So m we can copy as it is, 2 raised per 7 into 3 raised per 3 into 5 square. Now 14m is required, so we will write here 14, and the 14 we can write as 2 into 7. So we'll write here 2 into 7, and 2 we can combine with this, and we can rewrite it as 2 raised to 8 into 3 cube into 5 square into 7, and this will be our final answer over here. This is 2 marks, very simple question. These are just you need to change 14 into prime factors and combine 2. Then they are saying r is an integer, m over r is a cube number, find the smallest possible value of r. So what we can do is m is what? M is 2 raised to power 7 into 3 raised to power 3 into 5 square, and this is m over r. So r is any integer, um, s- any integer. M over r should be a cube number. So we need to, cube numbers are what? Like for example, 2 raised to, from this one, okay, in simpler way, if I'll explain you, 2 raised to the power 6 will be a cube number, and 3 raised to the power 3 will also be a cube number. So if we compare this one and this one, there's a difference of, what do you call, 2, and so difference will be 2, because this is 2 raised by 6 and 7. So 2 into this will be 5 square. So this will be the remaining one. If we divide these two, the remaining answer we will get will be 2 into 5 square. So this will be 2 into 5 square will be what? 2 into 5 square will be 25 into 2, which is 50. So it should be 50. 50 should be our value so that we can get this number. Hopefully you understand this. It was a little tricky question. Then find the value of this one. So this is 3 square over, we can write 3 is by minus 2, which we can write 3 square plus 2. So it will be 3 is by 4, which is 81. So 81 will be answer. And this is for 2 marks hopefully. B part, 16 raised power minus 3 by 2. So we can write 16 as 4 square and whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 we can cancel, and then we can write it as 4 raised to minus 3, which further we can write 1 over 4 cube, which is equal to 1 over 64, and this will be our final answer for 2 marks.